Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching, subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video 20 week having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the cruise control fuses are located, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. They're under different name, we'll talk about that, where you can buy cheap parts and tools that way do not waste money and time, not just Toyota Corolla, but any car you can find parts and tools where you can buy, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you can, and you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So guys, we're going to demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla where you can find the cruise control fuses that could be under different names and they may not be mentioned in the manual. But there is guys actually that we need to check up to 4 different fuses in 2 different fuse boxes. First we need to open the hood. Once you open the hood here guys, you're going to see you have a fuse box on the driver's side. Open that cover, you'll find a fuse box with a layout like that one. Here we need to check one fuse. Oh, but before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here one fuse need to be checked, then we need to go to a different fuse box, and that fuse guys, if we zoom in, we're talking about fuse number 17 right here. After that, come on the driver's side, look under the dash. On the bottom of the dash you will see that we have that white cover. Open it by popping that cover open and you'll find interior fuse box with a layout like that one. 3 more fuses need to be checked. Oh, and by the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. We'll put a link in the description of the video below. Check it out, you can save quite a bit of money. Here for the cruise control we need to check fuse number 18 right here. Fuse number 18 will need to be checked. Then it's 19, 20, 21 needs to be checked. Then 22, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fuse number 27 will need to be checked as well. Those are the main cruise control fuses. If your cruise control does not work, we have a special video that explains why cruise control doesn't work on Toyota Corolla, and it will help you diagnose your problem. It could be a simple fix that costs only a few dollars. Check out the video. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.